Hi, my name is Stefan Macke and I want to talk to you about managing the generational change. How can your company manage to attract new software developers that like to work with Natural? At first glance, Natural might not be the coolest programming language out there. It's quite old. In fact, it's from the 70s. It was built for programming on mainframe computers. There's no object orientation, no low-level coding. It's all about procedural programming. However, let's be honest, there's not a single silver bullet language out there that solves all your problems. Every language has its pros and cons, and Natural definitely also has its strengths. Natural is a great programming language for solving business problems. For example, it works on a very high abstraction level. We'll see some code examples later in this presentation. For example, there's easy and type-safe database access baked right into the language itself, and it's made for high-performance business applications, especially in combination with the Adabas database. But Natural is also very developer-friendly. It's quite easy to learn, actually. The language itself is stable and there are no new frameworks every other week that you have to relearn. And the code is also very easy to understand. Let's take a look at an example. Here's a short piece of Natural code. It starts with a find statement that directly accesses the database in a type-safe way, so there's no need to embed SQL into your programming language. Here's an example of a for loop that's very easy to understand, and if you take a look at the compressed statement, there are even almost English sentences that the reader can instantly understand. Despite its age, Natural still has a quite small community, but that's good for you as a developer. In fact, there are many ways for you to earn credibility inside the community. You can join national and international user groups that are very well organized, by the way, and you can actively shape the community with your experience, for example, from other programming languages. And if you invest your time and effort, it will definitely pay off in the long run, because Software AG officially supports Adabas and Natural until the year 2050 and even beyond. But what does that mean for your company? First of all, you need to provide a modern development environment for working with Natural. For example, you can use tools like Git or Eclipse to make the life of the developers easier. You need to adapt to the agile way of developing software. For example, you might want to incorporate continuous integration, for example with the Jenkins server, into your build environment. And last but not least, you'll definitely need lots of automated tests for your Natural programs. For example, with NetUnit, our unit test framework for Natural. All of these tools are production ready today, and many of them are even completely free of charge. Feel free to get in touch with Software AG for help on how you can create such an environment in your company. This will definitely be your first step for attracting a new generation of software developers. Thanks for your time and feel free to get in contact with me.